Today we are going to read phonic reader, and in this reader we read 3-letter words with the help of phonics. But in this phonic reader there are some words which are called sight words, and we read them as it is because they don't have phonics and we can't read them phonetically. Okay, let's start. A in pen, in a lip, a pen in a lip. It is a big wig. It is a big wig. It is my is a sight word, so we will read it as it is. Bib. It is my bib. My in pen is big. My pen is big. My wig is big. My wig is big. A in pen with a nib. A pen with a nib. A big tin with a sip. A big tin with a sip. So, with the help of phonics, students will be reading the sentences easily.